Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the Super Valley Town Center. It's a new plaza on Constant Spring Road in the Manor Park area, and it's a very successful plaza because it follows the simple formula. It has a large supermarket in fresh foods, and it has a lot of food stores, and it's built in a populated area. So if you follow that formula, you will have a successful plaza. And so we're going to take a quick tour through True Value Town Center. Okay, straight ahead, that's the supermarket. Now this plaza has a lot of food stores. It has Wendy's, Domino's, Cafe Blue, Uncorked, Golden Fountain Restaurant, Masala Walk. So it has the food stores covered. It has a supermarket, and it's built in a very populated area. So it follows the formula, and it's a very popular plaza. And it's one of the top plazas in Kingston right now. Now some say this plaza is more popular than the Manor Park Plaza, but not sure which one is more popular right now or busier. But this one definitely does extremely well. And I would probably say this plaza is though, because it's newer, and no, Manor Park Plaza is more popular, I would think, because it has Burger King and it has KFC in it. But this one is very popular as well, very successful plaza. Today is a Sunday, and you can see how busy the plaza is. Okay, so this is the entrance to Fresh Foods. Very nice supermarket, large, well spaced out, very popular. Alright, so we're going to head out to the plaza now. Sorry, the name of the plaza is Super Valley Town Center. I think I call it a different name, but it's a Super Valley Town Center. And Super Value is, they have another supermarket on Mannings Hill Road. Now when this plaza was being built, it was originally planned for the supermarket True Value to move over to this plaza, but they decided to keep the supermarket on Mannings Hill Road and put a different supermarket in here. So the supermarket in here is Fresh Foods now. Alright, so this is an example of if you follow the simple formula, you will get a successful plaza. And Believe it or not, there are entities or persons or companies that are building plazas today, and they don't follow that formula, and as a result the plazas don't do well. No, there's a plaza built in Maypen, Millennium Mall. Billions of dollars spent on the plaza. It's a huge plaza, but plaza doesn't do well. I think 95% of the plaza is empty. They don't have a supermarket in the plaza. They have a food place, but the plaza is built in an area that's not very populated. They don't follow the formula, and as a result, actually you can look on the channel. We have videos up at the plaza. It's called Millennium Mall, and I think that the name of the plaza is Epic Failure. It's in that there's a channel list with epic failure videos, and it's in there. The plaza is an epic failure. They don't have a, can you imagine building a supermarket, spending billions of dollars, to build a plaza, and you don't put a supermarket in there? I don't know, honestly. Guys, look at the video and make up your mind. You can see the stores are empty. It's a huge plaza, huge. And I don't think you have 10 stores in there. Probably you have 100 stores in there. Probably only 10, if even as much as 10 rented. No supermarket in this day and age. Anyway, it's there, you can look at it. But that plaza we just came out of, they built it right, follow the simple formula, and it does well. So we just passed the NCB branch on Constant Spring Road. It's called the Ncb Financial Center. To give you an example of how bad that plaza is, Millennium Mall. Sagicor built it, and Sagicor built a facility there, or a store, for them to set up their own branch, Sagicor Bank. And the plaza does so terrible that Sagicor has not even opened the branch. That's how bad it is. Anyway, we'll do a follow-up video to see if anything has changed. Alright, so we are on Constant Spring Road, and on the left is the Oakland's property, Oakland's apartments. We have videos up of a tour through it, so you can take a tour. You can view the video, that's where you enter it. On the left, and the right is West Avenue, and that takes you back to Washington Boulevard. On the left up here now is Tile City, and here, that left turn on the road there, that's Birdsucker Lane. It takes you all the way back to, not Birdsucker, Grandspen. And that takes you back to the Grandspen area and back to Barbican. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.